Acer Chromebook 15 CB5571CO9S. Reviewed deal discount unboxing setup. The Chromebook 15 is a huge jump from the previous Acer Chromebook offerings, even from the Chromebook 13 which was just released less than 6 months ago. I'm going to go into details below, but here is the super quick summary. Pros. This Chromebook is big, which has pros and cons, although I'm absolutely loving the big screen. The processor is lightning fast, so glad they ditched the Tegra K1 processor and went back to Intel. There is absolutely no lag with the 4GB RAM version. The screen is finally nice and clear, bright, and vibrant, especially being a matte, anti-glare screen. It is much brighter than your standard matte screen, and the viewing angle is literally almost 180 degrees while still getting good colors, brightness, and readability. The keyboard is more natural feeling and the trackpad is bigger and easier to use. The speakers are right on top of the keyboard and the sound is better than I've heard on any laptop to date, seriously. It's louder, clearer, and less tinny than anything I've heard on a laptop or Chromebook in a long time. The only downside to this is they had to keep the keyboard the same smaller size as past Chromebooks to make room for the speakers. The Chrome software is running better than ever, and all apps are working as they should, something the previous Chromebook 13 with the Tegra K1 processor was having problems with. Charging time is super fast, as has been the case with the past few generations. I can be at 50% power and back up to 100% in less than an hour. Cons. The dimensions of the Chromebook. This thing is big. I knew this when buying it, so it's not really a con, it's more of something just to be aware of. Unlike all of the previous Chromebooks I've had, this is the first one I can't fit into my bag, and it's only about a ½ inch too big. I tried several other bags and the same thing, about ½ an inch too big. Ugh. Battery life. I've said it so many times, these companies should be smacked for lying about the battery life. Seriously though, they claim 9 hours of battery life on this machine, but it's nowhere near there. Maybe 6 hours at the most, and that's with casual browsing and some YouTube watching. Connectivity ports. I still don't understand why there is a USB 2.0 port when there's a USB 3.0 port on the other side. Just make them both USB 3.0 already and add a mini display port connector next to the HDMI port already. The design could be a bit better. When opened, it looks kind of cheap, and being white, it's going to get dirty unless you meticulously keep it cleaned. The rubber bumpers on the inside are nice and keep the screen from rubbing on the keys when closed, and the rubber feet keep the Chromebook securely in place on a desk or table. Okay, if that was enough info for you to make a decision, I can honestly say, you'll love this new Chromebook. I absolutely love this Chromebook. I will start by saying that this was a replacement for my MacBook Pro, which was going on 5 years old. It was ancient, I know. I have never owned a Chromebook and haven't played around with any. I am a grad student, so the price point is what steered me toward Chromebooks. The main criteria I was looking for in a Chromebook was a processor that can hold up under my heavy multitasking, having 10 tabs open, 2 Word documents worked on, and 5 PDFs up, while listening to music, a keyboard and trackpad that is sturdy and adequately sized for heavy use, and a decent screen so my eyes aren't sore from working on it all day, and at night it's good enough to watch some videos on. Portability was on top of my list of criteria. Any laptop device is going to have some degree of portability. I was torn between the Toshiba Chromebook 2, and this Acer. I went with the Acer, and I am so glad I did. The speakers are amazing. Such a full-bodied sound, and the maximum is very loud. The keyboard is very sturdy. Nothing about this device feels or looks cheap. For its size, it is relatively lightweight. Be warned, it is very large. This is much larger than your standard coffee shop table laptop. But in return, you're getting a beautiful, wide-view screen that is bright, with vibrant colors, and seems made for having 2 windows open at once, which was a huge selling point for me. The processor is very fast. I love all of the keyboard shortcuts, they are very useful. The trackpad is fast and responsive, and supports multi-touch gestures, including right-click, scrolling and swiping. The white body with black keys looks great. I haven't found anything to complain about with this Chromebook. Everything has exceeded my expectations so far. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I know it can be difficult to make a decision about which product to purchase without having spent any time using the product.